So Ivy is a software company first, right? We handle the solar tenant billing, providing accurate data and discounts to all of our clients and residents. Along the way, though, we saw that a lot of systems weren't being designed quite the right way, or they weren't interconnected the right way, or use the right equipment to actually get the benefits of Ivy's tenant billing model. Sometimes we weren't able to get the right data, or it was installed all behind that common area, so none of the kilowatt hours being produced could actually go to the residents. What we did recently over the last couple of years is develop a project development arm of Ivy, which we call a professional services offering. This offering allows you to get a free complimentary portfolio analysis as an initial step, where we'll model out each of your different projects using high-level assumptions and show which of these projects look the most lucrative from an IRR, NOI, or market value increase standpoint, and provide a ranking system so you can see which ones should be prioritized and maybe which ones aren't going to make a lot of sense to invest more time and resources into. After that first step, if you want to, we can dive in and do a formal feasibility study where we'll get the common area electric bills, we'll look through your Energy Star portfolio manager data and get real tenant consumption data and back that up using the actual plans for the building and or getting like official solar design so we can see exactly how much solar can fit on that rooftop, how much energy that it can generate, and what the value of those kilowatt hours are. At the end of this feasibility study, we want you to know for certain that it either makes sense to pursue this forward or not. And if it does, what we'll do is we'll run a full formal RFP process, and you can decide at the outset if you would prefer to pay cash and get really the best economics available, right? And or you could have the system financed by a third-party owner who would pay for that system to be installed and pay for the O&M. And then you would either get paid a roof lease, and then they would take home some of that revenue from billing the tenants, or you could be charged a PPA at a set discount off of the utility rate and take the margin between the residential rate and your PPA rate. So that's really a high-level overview of the professional services offering. I'm excited here for many more projects here to come in this new offering here at IB.